This is what sold me to come here. Okay, so I want to do something similar to this. That's a whole warehouse. Whoa! Hello everyone, I just arrived here at this city called Liuzhou in Guangxi province of China. This place is mainly known for the river snail noodles. They're a little bit of stinky and spicy, and they're very popular countrywide. There's another reason, but I came here for a different reason. I'm here today doing a birthday photo shoot. I found this photo shoot that other people did and posted online, mainly on the Red Notes, of really crazy landscape and beautiful photo shoots with drone shots and everything. I thought it was really cool, so I've decided to come here, check it out myself. So this photo shoot package includes makeup, outfit, photographer. They will drive me to the photo shoot spot and drive me back, and it's a somewhat private location, so don't need to be worried about taking too much time taking photos there or too many other people around. So supposedly this is a really good photo shoot spot, and that's based on the research I did online. And if it's actually gonna be like that, I'm not sure. I really hope so, because this photo shoot is not cheap. Okay, and let me show the expectation video. This is what sold me to come here. Okay, so I want to do something similar to this. 你好，请问你是我的化妆师？OK， 我在外面等你哦。Is Gigi turning 22? Yes. $22 every year. She invited me to go. Oh, look at the. It's a small shop. Wow, there's a basement. 哦，在楼下吗？哦。哦。Gigi's. Oh, whoa. That's a whole warehouse. Whoa.
出来的就是这边的服装，你都可以选。
嗯，
然后这种是战国袍类型的，它比较推荐这一款。
Okay, so this is this one. She was a bit worried that I'm too tall. If I'm too tall and this shows my feet, it doesn't look good. Okay, this is one of them. This is 3 layers. Oh, this is the more like simpler ones. First one was better. I think so too. First one's still better. Okay, last one that the lady recommended.
对，所以我们现在来，不要急那个。
Actually, this is not too bad. I think we need to bring these sleeves back. Yeah, this looks a bit scholarly, almost. Okay, so my opinion is this one looks more mature, you know. I could sentence someone to die. The first one, I don't have the power to sentence anyone to die. Is that the same dress? There's 2 more layers. She asked me to only wear the first layer for now because it's too many layers. So afterwards, we're gonna put all 3 layers on. to get to the photo shoot location. Wow! Whoa! What the frick is this? This is so pretty. This is actually so pretty. Wow. Whoa. 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 This is gonna be us. And then there's gonna be a person blowing air. Wow. It's gonna be awesome. This is gonna be awesome. No way. Wow. Wow, look at all the layers. Oh my god! This is so cool. As this is my VIP team. Team of people. The blower is out, guys. The blower is out. Check it out. Okay, let's check what we have. So that's gonna be us, you know? Wow, look at all of the equipments. We got 2 types of blowers. Oh my god, look at all the things. Oh, there's water, leaf blower. Look at all of these tools. Oh my god, tripods, lighting stuff, chairs. I put on the traditional shoes. It has like a pointy tip. They're setting everything up. Guys, they're even digging the ground. Okay, she said we're ready for the photo shoot, so I'll leave you guys here. Whoa, my hair. Wow.
好，背挺直，手不要放后面去，手，你的手不要回到后面。好，背挺直，挺胸抬头，对，非常好。分享，分享，对。
Oh, a glider! 我看到有人滑翔了。Wow, that's awesome. That looks awesome too. Look at these mountains. How cool is that? Hold on. Any prime suburbs in chat? Are there any?
Hello there.
Anyone has a prime sub? Look. Oh, Simba. Everything you see exists together in a delicate balance. As king, you need to protect the balance and respect all creatures, from the crawling ant to the leaping antelope. But Dad, don't we eat the antelopes? Simba, let me explain. When we die, our bodies become the grass, and the antelope eat the grass. And so, we're all connected in the great circle of life. Oh, another group of people has arrived. Okay, we continue. I shall be back. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is so cute. I have to step on the tripod so it doesn't fall over. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna end it here after this whole day of photo shoot, which is way longer than I expected to be, but it also makes me feel like I got my money worth.